Hi, welcome to my video about how to best use a Dimplex Duo night storage heater. First of all, this heater is supplied by two power points. The one on the left has got a fuse on it. That is your day rate, 24 hours a day, your expensive electricity. The one on the right is your stored heat, your nighttime electricity, the economy 7, which normally runs from 11:30 p.m. to 6:30 a.m. Both switches must be on for the storage heater to work correctly. Now for the controls. So the only controls are the plus and the minus button on the top. The constant light, which you can see in red, is your daytime electricity. So to turn it off, press minus on this occasion, and the light will light blue. So now there's no way the daytime electricity can be used to make heat. The plus button increases this heat. So now it's on full blast in using the daytime electricity, which is the expensive electricity. How to set the stored heat, which is the cheap electricity, is you keep pressing the plus button till you get to the top and hold it for a little bit longer than that's natural. And it will flash. As you can see, the stored heat is set to 50%. To increase the stored heat level, you press the plus button, and to decrease it, you press the minus button. It's much cheaper to use the stored heat because the stored heat is normally charged around about half price, and it's the economy 7. So now we've returned back to the day rate, the expensive electricity. So we'll put the day rate on that. Then there's another setting, which is child lock. So you press the plus and the minus buttons together, and now the storage heater is locked. To unlock it, press and hold, and the light goes out. And to set the stored heat, to recap, to set the stored heat, you keep pressing this till it goes to maximum. That's the daytime, and then you press and hold a little bit longer than what's natural, and then you'll get the flashing light, which is the stored heat, and at the moment it's set down on the third one, so you probably want to increase that right up if it's getting to winter. You put that on maximum, and then we just put it about halfway, and it will flash. Then we'll have the solid red light all the way up to maximum, and then you just reduce that back down to 0. And there you go. All right, thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.